Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again with an update or a supplementary video for the Selfie Stick. Had a mishap here. You can see this broke. That's because I cut these little fingers, or arms, whatever you call them, cut them the wrong direction on the grain. Notice the grain is cross this way. Now it is plywood, but it's 1/4-inch plywood. 1/4-inch plywood, as you can see, is basically 3 layers. If you can focus on that. I'm not sure how well it is. I'm out in my shop at night right now. The only thing I got is a fluorescent light going. The lighting's never been that great anyway. Anyway, but you can see, should be able to see there's 3 layers there. And if I'm going to have it like this, what happened was it bent, and with the grain like that, there's no strength there. So the 2 outer layers, it's almost as if they're not even there at all. And it just snapped off. You know, the middle layer just broke because it's so thin, even though its grain direction is this way. So I'm going to cut out 3 new pieces but have the grain oriented this way, so that then if it's bent on either direction, there'll be some strength there to keep it from snapping. And actually, if anybody copies this, I suggest you do the same. Yep, there we have 3 new pieces. Grain oriented along that way, the strong way. We can put it back together. And there we go. Sorry about the shadow. It's just the way it is. But it's, I was going to say good as new, but actually it's better than new. So there it is. And not sure what else to say about it. So I'll say bye for now. See you next time. And God bless y'all.